Good day, guys. I'm going to show you how to program the Ikilly2 to turn off the engine when the temperature reaches to the preset temperature that you guys want to shut down the engine. Okay, what I've got here is the hot air blower, just to heat up the sensor. Okay, first thing first, got to turn on the Ikilly, and the radio is on. That's why you got that green light. What you need to do is you go to the settings, press the item until you get to the temperature unit. You can change it to degree Fahrenheit by pressing the value button. Okay, and then press the item to go to the temperature that you want the engine to cut off is. So I set it to 257 degrees. Also, you need to set the high temperature cutoff to yes, to be able to enable that feature. So when the engine's temperature get to 257, if you set it to yes, then it will cut off the engine. All right, let's go to the temperature display screen. I'm going to turn on the hot air blower. Okay. So I'm going to put the sensor right where the hot air is coming out. As you can see, the temperature is going up. To 23. Yep. Okay, it's turned red. And let's go to the status mode. High temperature. This is the status of the kill switch. When it's set high temperature, that means the preset temperature cutoff has been reached. I move this away. The sensor will cool down and it's back to green. And let's go to the, so now it's dropped below 257. So move it back on. Yep. Turn red. And then when it's cool down, let's go to the go back to green. Hit it up again. Yep. All right. That's how you can set up the Ikilly2 to kill the engine when it's reached to a preset temperature.